Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the multiple choice questions on income tax. First, we will discuss about the basic concepts like what are the types of taxes, indirect tax, direct tax, what are their examples. So from slowly, we will discuss the questions also. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, just do subscribe and switch on the notification button to get the other videos also. What is indirect tax? Indirect tax is a tax which is collected by a single entity, usually producer or retailer, from the person who bears the ultimate economic burden of tax, such as consumer, and after the collection, it is paid to the government. In a simple language, if we say what is indirect tax, indirect tax is the tax which is not directly paid by the consumer to the government. It's paid indirectly. Suppose we go to a shop, you go for shopping, or you go in a restaurant to eat something. There you pay the tax. That is the indirect tax. You have to pay the service tax. That is called indirect tax. Now, indirect tax is levied on the goods and services rather than on income or profits. So, whatever we earn, that is not indirect tax. Whatever income we earn or whatever profits we earn, that is not called indirect tax. Indirect tax is levied, that is, it is applied on goods and services. What is direct tax? Direct tax is the tax which is directly paid by the person or the organization who bears the tax burden to the entity that has levied it. That is the government. Now, the income which we earn, if I'm a salaried person, then I get a salary for the whole year. That is my personal income. That is my income which I have earned from the my job. So that income on which the tax is levied by the government and I have to directly pay it to the government, that is called direct tax. That means the person on which the tax is to be paid by the person by whom the tax is to be paid. The tax is applied on that person only who comes in the slab. So that is known as the direct tax. Here are some examples of indirect tax. Hope you have heard about these types. Excise duty, custom duty, service tax, VAT, that is value added tax, then entertainment tax. If you have any query about relating to these types of these examples, you can ask me in the comment section. There are some examples of direct tax also. Hope you have heard about them also. But again, if you have any sort of query relating to these four examples, you can comment in the comment section. Examples of direct tax are wealth tax, property tax, corporate tax, income tax. So we are going to discuss in detail in further videos about income tax and the questions, that is MCQs relating to income tax, which will help you in preparing many exams. It's a progressive tax. What is progressive tax? A progressive tax involves a tax rate that increases or progresses as the taxable income increases. So it imposes a lower tax rate on the low income earners and a higher tax rate on those with the higher income earners. So basically, as the slab increases, the progressive rate also increases, and as the slab decreases, income slab, that is taxable slab, that is, you can say, so that in level also tax rate also decreases.